I've been getting some requests to clarify some of that calf and footwork that I did in an earlier video and the placement of feet. So I'm going to turn around and face the other way, and you might have trouble hearing me. Basically, we're going to put one foot into the other and press and lean in. So if you lean in and sit further upright, it puts more pressure into this. If you lean forward, it takes some pressure out. You can use a blanket or a towel to cushion your feet and your knees to make this a little less intense, of course. And we're going to place one foot on top of the other. Your knees could be wider apart or closer together at any time. Trying out a different place slightly. Sliding your foot around and leaning into this. And then of course, switching and doing the other side. I hope this answers some of the questions that you've had, and please feel free to ask more if you have them. Take care. Bye-bye.